Directed, co-written, and produced by veteran actor Anupam Kher, Tanvi, The Great marks his return behind the camera after a 23-year hiatus since Om Jai Jagadish 2002. The film is a personal project. Kher has stated that inspiration came from his niece, Tanvi, who is autistic, echoed in both the title and the film's heartfelt tagline, "Different but no less." The cast is led by debutante Shubhangi Dutt as Tanvi Raina, alongside Anupam Kher himself playing her grandfather, retired Colonel Pratap Raina. The narrative is supported by a veteran ensemble including Pallavi Joshi, Tanvi's mother, and an autism specialist, Boman Irani, Jackie Shroff, Arvind Swamy, Ian Glenn, Karen Tacker, and Nasser. Storyline: Tanvi Raina is a 21-year-old on the autism spectrum, initially living in Delhi with her single mother, Drive. Vidya Raina Pallavi Joshi, an autism expert. After her father, Captain Samar Raina, dies in a Siachen mine explosion, Tanvi learns that his unfulfilled dream was to salute the Indian flag atop Siachen Glacier. When Vidya departs abroad for a conference, Tanvi is placed in the care of her stern grandfather, Colonel Pratap Raina Kher, in the serene town of Lansdowne. Initially resistant, Colonel Raina gradually warms to his granddaughter's quirks and talents. Tanvi is a natural musician, drawing mentorship from Boman Irani's character, Raza Saab, and friendship from Jackie Shroff's retired brigadier. Inspired by her father's dream, Tanvi decides to take up the challenge of joining the Indian Army to salute at Siachen, despite the Army's neurodiversity restrictions. She navigates training under Arvind Swamy's Major Srinivas and recruitment by Nasser, with Ian Glenn appearing as an international connective thread. Karen Tacker portrays Tanvi's father in flashbacks, a guiding presence whose memory fuels her determination. The first half focuses on family adaptation and bonding. The second half centers on Tanvi's training, emotional growth, and confronting institutional barriers. Performances and direction: Shubhangi Dutt delivers a breakout performance as Tanvi. Credited with remarkable authenticity, she communicates through gestures, expressions, and tone, avoiding superficial portrayals of autism. Reviewers highlight stupendous restraint and note that she infuses the role with genuine emotional acceptance. Anupam Kher blends familial sternness with paternal warmth. Critics appreciate his directorial restraint, especially in the early half where character motivations and emotional beats unfold organically. He strategically surrounds himself with a strong ensemble, including Pallavi Joshi, whose affection and clinical insight ground the emotional realism. The ensemble offers solid support. Boman Irani shines in emotional support roles. Jackie Shroff delivers authenticity as a retired Army officer. Arvind Swamy's portrayal is serviceable, and Ian Glenn adds international gravitas. Technical craft: cinematographer Keiko Nakahara captures both the tranquility of Lansdowne and the intensity of army camps, with serene frames that mirror Tanvi's inner world. Editor Tushar Parekh navigates a 159-minute runtime that some critics felt lagged as emotional arcs intensified. Music by M. Keeravani strikes a soft balance between uplifting scores and reflective themes, though some found the songs underutilized and message-heavy. Visual effects during training scenes were noted as occasionally weak. Critical reception: critics generally agree the film is well-meaning with standout performances, particularly from Shubhangi and Kher. The Times of India rated it 4/5, praising its heartfelt storytelling that educates without lecturing. Hindustan Times gave it 3 stars, noting its emotional core despite some second-half logic issues. Indian Express awarded 2.5 stars, calling it warmth and acceptance, but noting narrative jumps. Critics from NDTV and India Today pointed out uneven pacing in Act 2. Premiered at the Cannes Film Market, where director Oliver Schmitz described it as deeply moving, the film received initial acclaim. Audience reactions echo mixed optimism, warm christening tempered by caution over pacing and sentimentality.
Hope you like the video. See you with another interesting video. Bye then, signing off from Black and Blank.